these strong bases, okay, in chemistry, all these strong bases in chemistry, they are called strong electrophilic reagents. What I call them now? They are called strong electrophilic reagents. I could remember vividly that I gave you guys an assignment, and the assignment was ligand. I gave you guys to study what ligand preventive. And it was in this class that I explained electrophilic and what nucleophilic what now substances. I know that when a substance is electrophilic, and the word electrophilic is combination of two liquids, that is electron and what philic. Philic simply means more in chemistry. So the law of electron is what we call electrophilic. So I told you guys that electrophiles, for them to have love for electron, it simply means they are rich in what? In proton. And that's why they have love for electron, so that they can have equilibrium in the world, in the subatomic particles in their structure. And you know I told you guys that when you say nucleophilic, and the word nucleophilic is combination of two words also, and that is nucleus and philic. Nucleus, and I know that at the nucleus of an atom that we have proton and what? Neutron. And that is why the nucleus of an atom is what? Is positively charged. So when you say a substance is nucleophilic in nature, it simply means that substance has more